Navigating the process of forming a business entity in the US can feel overwhelming, especially when trying to figure out the best way to get everything done properly. Whether you're starting an LLC or a corporation, understanding the steps involved, covering filings, taxes, and even maintaining compliance can save you time and headaches. Let me give you a quick overview of what's involved and how working with experts can make the journey smoother. First, choosing your business name is a critical step. It's important to pick a name that fits your brand and is available for registration and domain use. A tool like filingfox.com can help through their automated business name generator, which not only generates strong names but also checks domain availability immediately, saving you potential conflicts down the line. Once you have your name, the next step is the actual formation. Filing with your state Secretary of State is necessary for registering your LLC or corporation. This involves submitting specific forms and paying registration fees that vary by state. For example, the fee to register an LLC can be anywhere from about $50 to several $100s. Filingfox.com can guide you through this process with checklists and support. After registration, setting up your tax structure comes into play. An LLC offers flexibility in how you're taxed, either as a sole proprietor, partnership, or even a corporation, depending on what benefits your cash flow and future plans. Corporations, especially S-corp, have their advantages but come with more strict compliance requirements. Staying on top of annual reports, franchise taxes, and other filings is essential to avoid penalties. Business branding and online presence matter just as much as compliance. Creating a professional website, establishing social media profiles, and ensuring consistent branding can make a significant difference in attracting customers and partners. While tools are available, it's often a smart choice to work with specialists or services like filingfox.com that help streamline these facets, making sure your business appears credible and is easy to find. Thinking about the financial side, opening a business bank account and accounting setup are necessary steps. Separation of personal and business finances keeps everything clear and makes tax time easier. Again, professionals can help you set this up correctly from the start, offering advice on choosing accounting software and structuring your accounts appropriately. And don't forget about ongoing compliance. Many new business owners are surprised to learn that depending on your state and business type, you may need to file annual reports, pay franchise taxes, or maintain certain licenses. Keeping track of deadlines and requirements is crucial, and working with knowledgeable advisors can prevent costly oversights. If you're unsure of any step, reaching out to experts like filingfox.com can provide personalized guidance from formation to ongoing compliance, so you can focus on building your business instead of stressing over administrative details. Starting your business the right way makes all the difference. For support or questions, you can always contact FilingFox via email at info@filingfox.com. They're there to help navigate the process so your business gets off on solid footing.